Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today my name is Ayomide and I'm a YouTuber based in Nigeria. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you the two sides of Ibadan. So most times in movies, music videos and all, you always see this side of Ibadan, which is the old side of Ibadan, where you have olden days buildings and brown roof. So most times when they want to show videos, I don't know why, this is the part where they always show of Ibadan, and it has really made people not really know that Ibadan is already developed, unlike what our music video shows us. So in today's video I'm just going to be showing you what it looks like, what Ibadan was and what Ibadan looks like now. If this is your first time stopping by, kindly like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks. So this part of Ibadan is where you call Oji. It is the place that has the old houses with the brown roof, and which is what they always show in most music videos that they show online or in movies. So this particular part is actually, I feel it's very good that we have something like this, because at least we can keep history and use it for historical attraction. And this is the popular Mapo Hall in Ibadan. I think it was the first hall in Ibadan, which also has the Oba's Palace beside it and also a post office. Now this part of Ibadan has very affordable stores. Food items are affordable in this area, probably because they are farmers and all. Then fruits are also very affordable. I can remember the day I did this video, I actually got some fruits, and it was, apart from the fact that the fruits were very affordable, it tasted so sweet. Like there's something else they're using to plant that I don't even understand. So this part of Ibadan is where you really see in most movies, which I don't think is very cool, and because every state has this part. So now I'm going to be showing you the other side of Ibadan, which is the recent side and the modern side of Ibadan that they don't get to show you, which are the parts that you have very nice buildings, banks, shopping mall, cinema, anything you want, restaurants, and very nice places. So I'm just going to be taking you around the nice places we also have in Ibadan. So when people are showing you the old places, you know that we also have nice places here in Ibadan. So this is Three Crown Building, which has University Press PLC and also Evans Building, and this place is located around Jericho in Ibadan. We also have, as I said earlier, we also have big supermarkets and also big hotels. So this place is Jericho in Ibadan, and it's one of the very nice estates in Ibadan. So this is also Golden Tulip, which is, I think, a 4- or 5-star hotel in Ibadan. So as you can see, we have a lot of interesting places to visit, and Ibadan is not all about the brown roof and ancient place. This is the famous Trans Amusement Park. I don't really think it's functioning anymore, but I know it used to be the go-to for every child in the early 20s. If this is your first time stopping by, kindly like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Guys, please help us get to 200 subscribers. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.